Good morning to one and all present here. Our group number is 26 to 30. Our school's name is Prodigy Public School. Our subject is English and the academic year is 2020 and 2021. Our topic is Culture of Maharashtra and Odisha. Folk dance of Maharashtra. Kala. Kala is a form of folk dance which describes the jovial mood of Lord Krishna. Dindi. Another religious folk dance of Maharashtra is Dindi. This is performed mainly during the day of Ekadashi in the Kartik month of the Hindu calendar. Koli. Koli folk dance is another folk dance of Maharashtra which got its name Koli from the fisher folk of the state called Kolis. Lavani. Lavani is a mixture of traditional dance and song which is performed mainly to the beats of dholak, an instrument like a drum. Folk dance of Odisha. Goti Pua. It has performed in Odisha for centuries by young boys who dress as women to praise Jagannath and Krishna. Bag Nach. The dancer, only males, paints his bare body with yellow and black strips like that of a tiger and attaches a suitable tail. Dalkhai. Mainly Dalkhai is named after a goddess Dalkhai Devi. It's a very important dance during the Dashera.
Language of Maharashtra. Marathi is the official language of Maharashtra and co-official language in the Union Territory of Daman and Diu and Dara and Nagar Haveli. In Goa, Konkani is the solo official language. However, Marathi may also be used for some official purpose in cases. Maharashtra has the third largest number of native speakers in India, after Hindi and Bengali. Language of Odisha. Odia is one of the many official languages of India. It is the official language of Odisha and the second official language of Jharkhand. Odia is the sixth Indian language to be designated a classical language in India on the basis of having a long literary history and not having borrowed extensively from other languages.
Foods, Maharashtra and Odisha. Local available ingredients: Dagad food, second; Charoli, third; Bombay duck, Bombil, fourth; Alfonso mango. Popular dishes in Maharashtra: Pohe and Vada Pav. The traditional staple food on Desh, the Deccan Plateau, is usually bhakri, spiced cooked vegetable, dal and rice. However, North Maharashtrians and urbanites prefer roti or chapati, which is plain bread made with wheat. Staple diet in Odisha: Pakhala served with wads of lemon, yogurt and slice of tomatoes. Popular dishes in Odisha: Pithas and Khatta chutney.
Traditional dress of Maharashtra. Dhoti. The men in Maharashtra usually wear dhoti. A dhoti is a single piece of cloth that is tucked around the waist and it covers the entire leg till the ankle. Kurta. Maharashtrian men usually wear cotton tops or kurtas above their dhoti. Saris. Women wear saris that are 9 yards long. The sari is tucked in the middle, giving it a similar look to the dhoti. The rest of the sari is wrapped around the upper body of the woman. Traditional dress of Odisha. Costume of women in Odisha. In Odisha, women wear different types of saris. Famous saris include Kataki saris, Bomkai sari, and Sambalpuri sari. These are adorned by females in Odisha during festival, marriages, and other special events. Costume for men in Odisha. Similarly to females, men also like to wear their traditional outfits. Generally, dhoti is the common traditional costume for men in Odisha. They also wear kurta and gamcha during the festivals or events.
Good morning, ma'am. I will explain the worship goddess of Maharashtra and Odisha. First, worship goddess of Maharashtra. First point, Vavani Vavani, also known as Tulaja, Turaja, Vaitra, Amba, and Jagadamba, is an avatar of the Hindu goddess Parvati. She is a form of Parvati who is worshipped in Maharashtra. Second, Sapta Shungi. Shaptashungi is a site of Hindu pilgrimage situated 60 kilometers, that is 37 miles from Nasik in Indian state of Maharashtra. According to Hindu traditions, the goddess Shaptashungi Nivashini dwells within the 7 mountain peaks. Then, worshipped goddess of Odisha. First point, Lakshmi. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on Thursdays during Margashir month, which is from November to December, in Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. This puja is performed to get Sukh, Shanti, and Aishwarya, that is, comfort, peace, and prosperity. The history of Lakshmi Puja at Dhenkanal is more than 50 years old. It is also called as Gajalakshmi Puja. Thank you.